5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Protect the bullies at all costs! Pathetic!
Run the bombs over the regulator.
Foreman's casting, I can't remember.
5,
There we go.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, other side. Good job so far.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Get this down.
Turn up the heat, boys!
5,
We'll
4,
sweat 'em out!
3, 2, 1.
Other side.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Destruction! Fallen more security!
4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, there's one down. Get the second dude down. There are two bells up, I guess.
Destruction!
5, 4,
Okay, as soon as this guy's down, move to the other side.
1.
My flame!
Try and get this regulator
4,
down.
3, 2, 1.
We're at 15 seconds.
Let's rush it.
Got it.
Okay, I'm facing this towards the wall, do not stand in front of me. Just big heals. Maybe a CD if anyone has one. Now get down the rest of the ads.
5, 4,
Foreman is important.
2, 1.
If you fixate it, start moving to a primal elementalist.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Need Foreman down soon.
Tank Foreman on top of the elementalist with the primal, with the slag.
4, 2, 1.
Alright, kill the slag and then everyone on the elementalist.
5, 4, 2, 1.
Everyone should be on the elementalist now.
Remember to
Fire callers up.
Want the fire collars pulled on top of the primal elementalist as we go.
Yeah. On the tank if you could grab him.
Five, 4, 2, 1.
Alright, focus to the next one. Kill the fire callers while we're getting the slag elementals into position.
5, 4,
D's, I have a fire caller on me, can you turn them off?
Right, get that slag elemental down, get ready to hit the primal elementalist.
5, 4, Beware.
Back. Don't focus down the security guards. Go on something else.
Put everyone on the primal elementalist.
Make sure that you guys pick up Fire Caller D's.
Make sure the fire calls are on top of the primal elementalist if you can get them there.
2, 1.
D's, could you turn them? Thank you.
5, 4, Beware.
Everyone should be on that fire caller. I mean on the primal elementalist. Get him down.
Good job. Next one. Another Fire Caller is up. Grab him.
5, 4, Beware. 2, 1. That's
Dot up the security guards and the fire callers.
5, 4, Beware. 2, 1. That's charge in. I can't cast that yet. That's 5, 4.
Everyone should be on the primal elementalist now. Everyone switch to the primal elementalist.
Got a security guard on me.
Sorry. Yep.
5, 4, Beware.
There's a Fire Caller out the side on at TPS. Can you grab him?
Get that primal elementalist down.
5, 4, Beware.
Going down really
2,
slow.
1.
It's
Kill
still
another slag on top of it really quickly.
5, 4,
Got a Fire Caller over here.
2, 1.
Everyone should be single target DPSing that primal elementalist.
Not now.
When it comes off.
5, 4, Beware. 2, 1.
Everyone should be on the elementalist.
Staff is down.
security guards get control.
5, 4, Beware. 2, 1.
Right, clean up some of these fire callers.
4, 3, 2, 1. Beware. 5, 4, 3,
Down.
1.
I'm down.
That's GG.
5, 4, 3, 2, Beware. 1.
Yeah, that primal elementalist had to die then.
5, 4,
Is there
We do
anyone
better
that's
on
not
phase
focusing-
1.
Yeah, is there anyone that's not focusing the primal elementalists?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
This mountain unto ash.
I've seen
DPS looks
different.
sorry. DPS looks really good.